swing. He does swing the ball, and don't forget how he got Robin Uthappa out. Mustard goes after it. That is a fine hit. Now, I reckon Peterson will do a lot of this. He'll go after Amr Yamin because he's skiddy, and he'll come onto his bat. Yeah, he's a big, tall batter. Works him leg side, out. Just as he's done, and as he will always do, look to work it on the... That's the slow ball, that's the one. But this has been thrashed. Mustard goes after him. It's bread and butter for Mustard. Oh dear, that's gentle, very gentle. He's struggling. Hit the stumps, gone! That's a direct hit. Yasser Arafat with the throw. I reckon that's gone. Helmet has come off, and his gloves might as well come off. And an apology from Phil Mustard as he just passed him.
One of the middle, and oh, that was hit very hard. How good is that?
There were 3 men in the 30-yard circle on the offside. That misfield will help. Will take that boundary as well. Phil Mustard.
Not so hard for Phil Mustard. The first ball, he clears it with ease. A massive ease my trip, 6.
Picks the length and also picks the man at deep mid-wicket. What a catch! Yasser Arafat, it was always dying on him. He had to go forward, never easy out on the deep. The outside edge, and Kevin O'Brien inside out. That's how well that Kevin O'Brien just opens up the off. Clean bowled. Was looking to just work it on the onside, maybe for the one and keep strike, but beaten in flight by Shoaib Malik. He does that time and time again. Kamran Akmal. He just died on him, and let's have a closer look. In the air, deep square leg, and takes it.
See, there's no real pace, and he's going to struggle. Although that wasn't the greatest of the shots, but he'll fetch boundary. Oh, almost chopped it on, almost. Still not finding the right rhythm, Ali Brown, but the boundaries are coming. We call it chadar in Urdu, though, pashmina maybe.
It looks expensive, Waka.
Ask me. She got a couple of my credit cards.
I can't believe your credit cards. How many credit cards does one man need? You're out, Ali Brown. Caught the deep.
He's just won, almost winning the 4th game on the trot. He's
stumped. Sure, that's stumped. Lovely bit of bowling from Ajmal, and a nice bit of glove work from Kamran Akmal. Had the bails off in a flash.
could be out, and is given out.
Didn't know whether to come down the pitch or go back. He didn't know whether to pull it away to leg side or hit down the ground, and it's heading into leg stump. Oh, you don't like that as a batter. You don't like that.
But England celebrated long into the night, and has he taken the ball cleanly here?
Abdul Razak or Yasser Arafat has taken it cleanly. Yes, nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Ryan Sidebottom is short by a good 4 to 5 yards.
knocks him over, finishes the job. Sohail Khan is a very canny bowler. England have been trounced. A very insipid performance from England. Pakistan are too strong in all departments. They've now won 4 out of 4, and they tick all the boxes. England never got going for this chase, and they were chasing one.